Do you remember relating to a situation in a book? Pick a story that you can relate to. Here's a link to a Jamboard. Costa's in your choice book, level 2. Brave, loyal, caring, funny, generous, studious, intelligent, good, positive traits. Mean, rude, lazy, bossy, disagreeable, selfish, conceited, bad, negative traits. Level 2 contrast character traits. Dr. S, studious, ha, because she is learning English. So the why, tell us the part of the book that you are thinking of. So because she's learning English, I called her studious. So that was the trait I gave her. Caesar has intelligent because she hides her brother's sandals instead of fighting with them or telling on them. And make sure that on your post-it you have your name, character trait, the character or book you chose, and then tell us the part of the book that you're thinking of. So can you think of any characters with bad character traits? Dr. S thought of Ha being bossy. Ha's brother is bossy because he makes her say ha. Yeah. All right, and that is it. Have a great day, everyone.